Hi, my name is Kamaini. I head the retail sales at the Aditya Birla Asset Management Company. I have a diverse experience of more than 25 years in the BFSI industry across banks and across asset management companies. I started as a relationship manager, have headed branches, have headed regions, and handled a lot of national profiles as well. In this industry, as we have seen, we have a lot of women now entering into this domain, doing very successful work. We know that things may not look as glamorous as they seem. However, believe me when I say that everything is in your hands. Ultimately, it is we who decide how we want to work, what we want to do, and what is the kind of success that we want to create for ourselves. My learning in the past 25 years has been for a couple of points that I would definitely like to highlight to all of you. First and foremost, I think we always feel that it is very difficult for a lady to balance between work and home. Believe me, there is absolutely no need to feel any kind of guilt between the balancing of your work and your home. There will be times when work will seem more important and will take priority, and there will be times when the family will take priority. It's absolutely alright and acceptable for us to balance as per required. So the guilt that you are feeling should never be there actually. Another very important point that I would like to make to all of you, we have to draw the line between what is acceptable and non-acceptable for us in terms of it is not essential for you to be the man. You are a lady and you have to draw the line between what you want to do and don't want to do. It is not essential for you to compromise on your own ethics and your self-respect just to, I would say, mix with the crowd. So please be careful and draw the line on what things you find acceptable. Third, most importantly, always keep learning and keep upgrading your knowledge. Learning never stops in life. Make sure you are always there on the learning curve as much as you can. And most importantly, be resilient and be adaptive to change. It is indeed true that change is the only constant and things will keep changing around you. The faster you adapt, the faster you will grow. That's all from my side. Thank you very much.